Good evening. These are your current conditions for Thursday, June the 1st. Sunset at 8:35 p.m. The partly cloudy skies. The temperature is 82 degrees. The humidity is 55%, and there's scattered showers in the area. UV ray is low. The winds out of the northeast around 3. Tonight's forecast is going to be partly cloudy skies, light winds are variable. There'll be a slight chance of showers, probably around 10%. Low's going to be 62. Thank you for watching. This has been your Blackmon Forecast. Everyone have a good day, good evening, and a good night. Thank you.